வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே. சிவில் சர்வீஸ் எக்ஸாம் 2025 மெயின் எக்ஸாம் பேப்பரோட ஜெனரல் ஸ்டடீஸ் பேப்பர் 3 கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது வந்து டெக்னாலஜி, எக்கனாமிக் டெவலப்மெண்ட், பயோடைவர்சிட்டி, என்விரான்மெண்ட், செக்யூரிட்டி அண்ட் டிசாஸ்டர் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட். ரைட், வாங்க நம்ம கொஸ்டின் போகலாம். இந்த கொஸ்டின் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் லைக் நம்ம இன்ட்ரொடக்ஷன் பார்ட் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். மொத்தம் 20 கொஸ்டின்ஸு. இந்த 20 கேள்வியில் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு 10 கேள்விகள் வந்து 150 வார்த்தைகள், 150 வேர்ட்ஸு. ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டினுக்கும் 10 மதிப்பெண்கள், எந்த சாய்ஸுமே கிடையாது. ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு 10 கொஸ்டின் வந்து 150 வார்த்தைகள், 10 மதிப்பெண்கள், 100 மதிப்பெண்கள். அடுத்து 11 to 20 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வந்து 10 கொஸ்டின் 250 வேர்ட்ஸ் ஈச்சு, 15 மதிப்பெண்கள். ரைட், ஸோ வில் ரீட் இட். ஒன்றாவது கொஸ்டின், distinguish between Human Development Index, that is HDI, and Inequality Adjusted Human Development Index, that is called IHDI, with a special reference to India. Why IHDI considered a better indicator of inclusive growth? Second question, what are the challenges before the Indian economy when the world is moving away from the trade of multilateralism and protectionism and bilateralism? How can these challenges be met? Again, 150 words, 10 marks. Third question, explain the factors influencing the decision of farmers on the selection of high value crops in India. Answer, 150 words and 10 marks. Fourth question, elaborate the scope and significance of supply chain management in agricultural commodities in India. Right, again 10 marks, 150 words. The fifth question, the fusion energy program in India has steadily evolved over the past few decades. Mention India's contributions to the International Fusion Energy Project, International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, ITER. What will be the implications of success of this project for the future global energy? Future global energy. Right? Sixth question, how can India achieve energy independence through clean technology by 2047? How can biotechnology can play a crucial role in this endeavor? 150 words, 10 marks. Seventh question, what is carbon capture, utilization and storage, CCUS? What is the potential role of CCUS tackling climate change? That is carbon capture, utilization and storage. It's called CCUS. Eighth question, seawater intrusion in coastal aquifers is a major concern in India. What are the causes of seawater intrusion and remedial measures to combat this hazard? It's 150 words, 10 marks. Ninth question, terrorism is a global scourge. How has it manifested in India? Elaborate with the contemporary examples. What are the countermeasures adopted by the state and explain. 10th question, the Government of India recently stated that left-wing extremism, LWE, will be eliminated by 2026. What do you understand by LWE and how are the people affected by it? What measures have been taken by the government to eliminate LWE, that is left-wing extremism? இப்போ இந்த ஃபஸ்ட்டு 10 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வந்து we have seen 10 marks, each 100 marks. Remaining 10 questions வந்து we'll see 15 marks, 250 words. Right? Okay. 11th question, explain how Fiscal Health Index, FHI, can be used as a tool for assessing the fiscal performance of states in India? In what way would it encourage the states to adopt prudent and sustainable fiscal policies? 250 words, 15 marks. 12th question. Here it is, explain. Here it is, discuss. The 13th question is, examine. We have been telling, we have to be very careful. So 12th question. Discuss the rationale of the production linked incentive, that is a PLI scheme, production linked incentive scheme. What are its achievements? In what way can the functioning and outcome of the scheme be improved? 50 words, 15 marks. 13th question. Examine the factors responsible for depleting groundwater in India. What are the steps taken by the government to mitigate such depletion of groundwater? Again, 250 words, 15 marks. 14th question. Here also examine. Next question also examine. Right. 14th question. Examine the scope of the food processing industries in India. Elaborate the measures taken by the government in the food processing industries for generating employment opportunities. Again, 250 words, 15 marks. 15th question. How does nanotechnology offer significant advancements in the field of agriculture? How can this technology help to uplift socio-economic status of farmers? Socio-economic status of farmers. Again, it's 250 marks, 250 words and 15 marks. 16th question. India aims to become a semiconductor manufacturing hub. What are the challenges faced by the semiconductor industries in India? Mention the salient features of the semiconductor mission. 250 words, 15 marks. 17th question. Mineral resources are fundamental to country's economy and these are exploited by the mining. Why is mining considered an environmental hazard? Explain the remedial measures required to reduce the environmental hazard due to mining. 250 words, 15 marks. 18th question. Write a review on India's climate commitment under the Paris Agreement 2015 and mention how these have been further strengthened in this COP 26-2021. In this direction, how has first nationally determined contribution intended by India been updated in 2022? 250 words, 15 marks. And 19th question. What are the major challenges to internal security and peace process in the northeastern states? Map the various peace accords and agreements initiated by the government in the past decade. So 250 words, 15 marks. And the 20th question and the last question. Why maritime security vital to protect India's sea trade? Discuss the maritime and coastal security challenges and the way forward. 250 words, 15 marks. Right? So what we have seen till now, this is Civil Service Exam 2025, main exam paper, General Studies paper 3, Technology, Economic Development, Biodiversity, Environment, Security and Disaster Management. So thank you very much for listening. Thank you.
வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.